loves, so for today's tutorial we have this simple and easy to make hair claw, perfect for beginners. It's so cute and simple and yet so elegant. So let's start. You're gonna be needing a pink fine cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a hair claw, and also don't forget if you have pearl beads. Okay. So now, if you are ready, we're going to start with the magic ring. Then you're going to chain 2. Make a puff stitch. So to do this, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, and pull through just 2 loops. And that leads you to have 2 loops in your hook. So now you're going to repeat this until you have 5 loops in your hook. So that's 3. 4. And you're going to knit another one. So now you have a total of 5 loops into your hook. Then you're going to pull through all at once. Then chain 3. And slip stitch into the ring. That is how you make 1 petal. So you're going to repeat the process until you have 5 petals. So if you're struggling on how to do this, you can always go back to the start of this tutorial. Okay, it's so normal. You can also watch me struggle here. It's okay. And if you have 5 petals now, chain 1 in the end to secure the project. Then cut the working yarn. Tie the excess yarns together. And then you're going to cut the excess portions. And now we're done with 1 flower. So you should make a total of 6 flowers for a small hair claw. You can always add some more if that's what you like. Now let's add some pearls. Okay, and don't forget your glue stick. So this is so easy. Put the glue in the middle portion of the flower and attach the pearls. So just be careful on handling the glue because it's kind of hot and it could really burn your skin. I mean, I did multiple times now and it's because I'm so clumsy. So please be careful on handling this one. So after gluing 6 flowers, this is how it looks like. It's really cute, right? I mean, it looks like a keychain. So yeah, next one is we're going to attach now the flowers into the hair claw. So if you're still not sure on how you place the flowers, try to put the flower into the middle as a base, and that is how you arrange everything else. And if you're still here, I just want to show you my appreciation of watching my tutorials up to this part. I know I don't have a lot of audience in my community. Just know that it really matters to me just by knowing you're watching up to this part. You have no idea how every comment you make makes my heart jump because I'm getting feedback on my audience. Again, thank you so much for watching. And here we're done. So as you can see, this is the easiest hair claw tutorial that I have ever done, especially made for beginners and or just artists who wants to explore some crafts they could sell in places. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.